Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Today we're going to cook another well-known Sichuan dish, twice cooked pork or double cooked pork in Chinese, 回锅肉. This spicy seared pork is very popular and easy to spot on the menus of Chinese restaurants. The pork is boiled and then stir-fried with vegetables like leeks, scallions, and onions. The dish goes well with rice, and it is not hard to cook at home at all. Get ready and let's start. First, let me share one trick I learned from several trials, which further enhances the tenderness of the pork. That is, ham is the best part of the pork for this dish. Compared to pork bellies, after boiling, the texture of the ham is a lot more tender and easier to chew. For the vegetable, I picked leek. Put the 1.5 pound of pork ham, skin on, into cold water. Add 1 star anise, 2 dried bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of ginger root, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Boil and simmer for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cut the leeks. Remove the top and bottom spoiled parts. Use the knife to punch the leek in order to break the fibers. Then slice into 1-inch long parts. Set aside. For the sauce, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of fermented black beans, 2 teaspoons of sweet sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix well. After about 30 minutes of boiling, if you can poke through the ham using a chopstick or knife with no blood coming out, it is properly cooked. Soak in cold water for 10 minutes and drain thoroughly. Cut into 2mm thin slices. In a heated pan, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, minced ginger, root, and garlic. Stir fry until brown. Add in the pork ham slices, On medium heat, sear until the pork gets soft. This takes about 5 minutes. If you've done it properly, you will see the pork slices curled up. Add in the fermented black beans. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Simmer for about 5 minutes to soften the pork skins. Add in the liquid ingredients. Stir fry for another 5 minutes. Spray some salt as needed. Once the sauce gets completely absorbed, add in the leeks. Stir fry until the leeks get soft. One teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix well, switch off the heat, and serve. The dish is spicy and salty. The pork is tender and full of flavor. Make sure you cook enough rice. Bon appetit. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and share the recipe to support my channel. Also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easier to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.